Hello students, today's topic is malaria. The causative agent of malaria is Plasmodium, a protozoan. Different types of Plasmodium cause different type of malaria. The different types of Plasmodium can be Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria and Plasmodium falciparum. Out of this Plasmodium falciparum, it causes malignant malaria, which is a serious type of malaria and it can be fatal also, that is janleva. Now the life cycle of Plasmodium or mode of transmission, how malaria is transmitted. The bite of female mosquito, Anopheles mosquito, it releases sporozoites into the human body. What are sporozoites? They are the infected stages which are able to cause malaria, and these infected stages, sporozoites, they are stored in the salivary glands of mosquito. Now after entering in the human body, the sporozoites, they reach to the liver cells through blood and then they multiply inside the liver cells and they reproduce asexually inside the liver cells, and ultimately the liver cells, they burst. The bursting of liver cell releases asexual forms of Plasmodium which enters into the RBC. Inside RBCs they multiply and ultimately the RBCs, they burst and they release a chemical called hemozoin, and this hemozoin, they cause chills or extreme shivering in the human body, which is the basic symptom of malaria. Inside RBCs, when the Plasmodium, they multiply, they produce sexual stages which are called gametocytes. Now when a Anopheles mosquito, again it bites an infected person, the gametocytes, this stage, it enters inside the salivary gland of the mosquito and they now inside the intestine of mosquito, the fertilization of these sexual stages, it takes place, and then the mature infective stages, they escape from the intestine and they migrate into the salivary glands of the mosquito. And then when the infected mosquito, it bites a healthy person, then these are transmitted to the human beings, and this is how the cycle continues. You will be drawing the same diagram, but there is no need to draw this hand and with this mosquito. You can simply draw the rest of the diagram, leaving this instead of this diagram you can write this statement, and there is no need to draw this hand also. So this is the life stage, the various stages in the life cycle of Plasmodium. Now the next disorder is amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery. Amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery, the causative agent is Ant amoeba histolytica, that is a protozoan, and the affected organ, it affects mainly the large intestine. The mode of transmission, house flies, they act as the carrier and they transmit the parasite from the feces of infected person to the food products, and contaminated food and water, they are the major source of infection. The symptoms of amoebiasis, they include constipation, abdominal pain and cramps, and stool with excess of mucus and the blood clots.